Good to see you again. Let's dive right into today's video. Watch GMGS Pro V2 perform live on MetaTrader 4. Here, see the details. GMGS Pro V2. Get now free download link in description. Don't miss this incredible offer. Now see the live account performance. Overall gain, plus 108.24%. The account grew almost 1 times, proving steady growth potential. Max drawdown is only 24%. Profit, $1,035.32. Verified profit on live trading accounts. EA secured 10,180 wins out of 11,662 trades. That's a rock-solid 71% win rate. Here, see the trading history. Alright, time to see MT4 in action. The bot is running smoothly and placing trades as designed. This test is running on XAU/USD with the M1, M5, M15 timeframe using default input settings. GMGS Pro V2 is engineered for precision trading with adaptive logic, smart lock control, and minimal drawdown. Here are the inputs of the bot: risk percentage, take profit, stop loss, and trade filters, all customizable. Let's go! Backtesting now, 0 errors. I'm running the GMGS Pro V2 backtest in skip mode for faster simulation. Don't worry, it doesn't affect the growth or performance results. Here you see the profit graph. Don't wait to profit test grow, more grow safe. Now with a completely free demo account. Real profits, $55,624.69 in 6 days using GMGS Pro V2. Max drawdown, 28%. Even in volatile markets, losses were capped within controlled limits. Here you see the profit trades, 91%. This offer is hot. Secure it before it's too late. Get the link in description. Your journey doesn't stop here. See you in the next video.